In this lesson, we're going to work through the section passing data through props. So we see here the React component, and I have it over here in the code here. We set up this prop this way as an attribute on this square component. So we pass value high here. Remember before we were ignoring this parameter. It's ultimately passed from here, render square 0 through 8. So that's remembered here, and we pass the value here, and then each individual square component of the 9 components, each one has a unique number. And now we're going to put that in the middle as the content of our button. And our response here, our action here, the way our application now works, 0 through 8 here. Of course, we're not going to want this in the ultimate tic-tac-toe game, but this shows how we can pass props to a child component in React. It's a typical flow from parent to child. I've put the board component into our Babel tool here in the Try It Out section in order for us to see how this prop is set up by the Babel.js compiler. So render square gets this here. We create our element. Before this was null when we weren't passing any props. Now we've seen a prop here, or an attribute here, and Babel turns this into a JavaScript object. Value set to I. So all the props that you add here, right, characteristics or attributes, what look like HTML attributes here, will be bundled together in this JavaScript object and passed to this component square. Each one of them has a unique prop, and so we show this here. Each square remembers what its number is, and it's just simply displaying it here. Ultimately in the game, we're going to get rid of that, but this is how you pass props down to a child component. Thank you.